In today's episode, I'm going to talk about a change. So if you're interested in finding out what it's all about, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, what I said about something new is today I am telling you about the change in my channel names. Now, I have a wonderful girlfriend that made a suggestion to me about why am I not utilizing my brand name CreativelyMsMe on my other channel. And I thought about that. So I came up with this. For my second channel, YouTube Tips and More by Stephanie, it will now say CreativelyMsMe, YouTube Tips and More. Now also, I have recently created a third channel. Yes, your girl is crazy. A third channel. And my third channel will house all of my diabetes and getting healthy and cooking videos on it. So that channel will be titled CreativelyMsMe, Healthy Tips and More. Now, if you are interested in any of the content offered on any of these three channels, I would love for you to join me and become a member. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.